Today I'm going to teach you how you can automate Roblox. So basically it's just an anti-AFK and also automatic typing. So first off, we're going to start off with the anti-AFK because, well, I know a lot of you came here to learn that. So I'm going to name this anti-AFK. So now that we've named it, we can go ahead and edit the script, remove this stuff, and let's go ahead and also, let's also zoom in a bit. There we go, that's good. Alright, so we're going to do F4, and we're going to do colon, not 3, just 2. Now, we are going to do send space. So it's basically going to make you automatically jump, but we're also going to need to, I almost forgot, we're going to need a loop. And then we're going to need a curly bracket here, and then a curly bracket there, and we're going to save that. Alright, now that that's saved, we're going to go over and run it. Now let's go over and open Please Donate. Oh, also guys, I'm not being sponsored, by the way. Don't think that I'm being sponsored, because I'm not, sadly. But yeah, I'm using Microsoft Edge because, well, found out about Microsoft Rewards and they partnered with Roblox. So if you get enough Microsoft Rewards, you can get free Robux. So yeah, hoping that I can get some Robux. But yeah, time to test it. So, and I almost forgot, we're also going to need to do F5 and make it reload. And usually put that at the end of everything. I kind of forgot to put it here. So we're going to save that, and now we're going to reopen it. Hit yes. Now, just so you know, you're going to see it there. So yeah, now let's go ahead and test it out. So it's F4. Now just so you know, alright, there it is. Yeah, automatically jumps and it has no time limit. So yeah, it's basically an anti-AFK for any Roblox game, and I just pressed F5, so it stopped. I didn't know that anyone actually wore those. Like, I actually did not know that anyone actually wore those. Like, bro, why do you wear that face, man? Oh, and right, I just remembered that all of the classic faces actually are now off sale, including the chill face. So yeah, maybe later in the future, Trokum Dev will be rare. But yeah, you will still have them in your accounts. But yeah, bad update, Roblox, bad update. Like, honestly, you like the classic look. And this video isn't even about explaining that. So yeah, now that we have tested that and we know it works, let's go ahead and get ourselves a stand, so that maybe I can raise a bit of Robux while I am scripting. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and close that because, well, it's already done. Now we're going to go to New, Auto Hotkey Script, and we're going to name it Auto Chat. And so we're going to edit it, remove this stuff, just do my thing, get big text so you can see. Big text, yes. Alright, so, now, we're going to do F4, and we're not going to make it to where it automatically loops. If you want to, you can do loop. Yeah, I'm going to do it for both loop, send, slash, sleep 500, send hi. Now you can change hi to whatever you want. You don't need the exclamation point too, I just added that in there. Now I'm making it sleep for 10. Alright, so let me explain what this code is. The send command, which you might see a lot, only 3 times, it basically sends an input. Like, it's going to send slash, so you can start chatting. Like, see, if I press slash, it automatically makes me start chatting. And then it will send hi, and then it will press enter. But if you don't have these curly brackets, it'll just spell out the word enter. And then it'll sleep for 10 seconds. So, this looks like 10,000 seconds. This looks like 500 seconds. Kind of like this one. But no, it's not 500 seconds. It's really 0.5 seconds because it's in milliseconds. So yeah, if any of you were a scripter in Roblox Studio, you have to get used to it being milliseconds instead of seconds. And also you have to get used to it from being, yeah, that's what it would look like in Lua, aka Roblox Studio Code. But here in anti-AFK, it's just sleep in milliseconds. So yeah, now, got our curly bracket, and now we're going to do F5. Yeah, kind of like the hotkey bot, F5 is going to be the same, just reload and return. So yeah, now that we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to exit that. Now, let's open auto chat. And as you can see, it's in our toolbar right there. Now we can press F4 and it automatically says hi every 10 seconds. Yeah, you get the point. And then you press F5 and it will stop. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Spoiler alert, it will be about menus.